What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Torque Spec Garage. Got another how-to video for you today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to check for leaks in your cooling system. So I got a buddy that actually just bought a 1990 Nissan Skyline R32 GTST Type M. So really cool car. I'll show it to you in a second. But he thinks it has a slight coolant leak somewhere because whenever I first went and looked at it, I smelled it. I'm like, it smells like coolant, but we couldn't see anything. So I brought my little tester. We're going to pressurize it, see if we can figure out where it's coming from. And I'll show you guys how we're going to do it. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so here's the tool we'll be using today. This is the Pittsburgh Radiator pressure test kit. You can get it at Harbor Freight. It was pretty cheap. I want to say it was around 50 bucks for the whole kit, but you got your pump, all your different cap sizes, all that stuff to pressurize the system. There's the little outside box, but I will link it in the description if you guys want to pick yourselves up one of these. Never hurts to have. Very handy tool. I've used it on many of my cars, chasing coolant leaks and all that stuff. So, but we'll get out here, figure out what size we need, and I'll show you guys this R32. All right, guys, so here it is. Like I said, 1990 R32 GTST. This has actually been one of his dream cars for a while, and he finally found a deal on one. Drove all the way to Ohio this past weekend to grab it. So it's super clean. I'll show you guys the inside too once we get done. Actually, he's got the door open. So RB20 DET bone stock, I believe, besides like an intake. It came with some bride seats. He actually just put a Nardi wheel in it. But other than that, it's stock interior. Super clean. And how many miles are on this thing?
60,000.
60,000. So super low mileage car, super clean, just got painted, but all the Nissan Fury up in here. All right, guys, so all you want to do is just make sure you get the right cap that fits your radiator. So after some investigating, found out it's this one for this car. He's got a aftermarket Mishimoto radiator in here. So I'll get this put on, then we'll get the pump put on it and pressurized, and we'll see if we can figure out where this coolant's coming from. All right, guys, so his system's rated for 20 pounds. So we already found the leak. It's coming right out of the bottom of this coupler. As you can see it leaking out or spraying out. So he needs a new coupler, or maybe just to redo the clamps on that. But yeah, guys, that's all there is to it. It just pressurizes your system, and then the leaks expose themselves. So super easy way to figure out where you're leaking from.
You go fire it up for us. Make sure
it's... Yeah, guys, like I said, RB20 singing. It is bone stock. It's got a Tomei, what'd you say, Tomei exhaust? JDM the world, baby. All right, guys, and that's going to do it for another video here on Torque Spec Garage. Like I said, I know I didn't go super in depth on this, but it's really simple. That pump, it's really just like a bicycle pump. So it literally just puts air into your system, makes coolant come out wherever it's leaking from, and that's how you figure it out. So if you have any questions or anything like that, as always, just leave them in the comments, and I'll help you. But that's going to do it. Appreciate you guys for watching. See ya.